Today, I'm going to teach you how to add comments to your Wix blog. This is a fantastic way to boost engagement with your readers and create a community around your content. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. First, you'll need to go to the Wix website and log in to your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. From here, look at the left navigation menu and click on Site and Mobile App. A drop-down selection will appear with several options. From this menu, click on Website. This will take you to the specific website management area where you can control various aspects of your site. Now take a moment to preview the website settings you have. This step is important because you want to make sure that this is the correct website where you wish to add the comment section. If you manage multiple sites, double-checking now will save you time later. Once you've confirmed you're working with the right website, locate the Design Site button. You'll find this button on the top part of your screen, typically positioned beside a pen icon. Click on this button to proceed to the editing interface. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where the magic happens. From here, you need to look for the blog page where you wish to add the comment section. Navigate through your pages until you find the right blog page. Once you're on your blog page, click on it. A settings button will appear once you've selected the page. Click on the settings button to enable the comments. Scroll down through the settings and you'll see a note that says to manage comments and enable ratings, go to blog settings. You'll notice this is highlighted in blue, indicating it's a clickable link. Go ahead and click on that blue highlighted link. This will take you directly to the blog settings dashboard. Under this dashboard, you have full control over how comments and ratings work on your blog. You can choose between members only, which restricts commenting to registered members of your site, or everyone, which allows any visitor to leave a comment. Additionally, you can toggle the comment feature on or off, depending on your needs. Take your time here to configure these settings exactly how you want them. Once you've made your choices and you're satisfied with the configuration, click on Save located on the top right part of your screen. Make sure to wait a moment while your changes are being saved. And that's it. You've successfully added a comment section to your Wix blog, giving your readers a way to share their thoughts and interact with your content. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.